How to install a L701 electronic handle lock. Keep the door open until the installation is complete. Remove the mechanical cylinder by taking out the cylinder screw. After that, remove the mechanical handle lock. Place the door drilling template on the door and check whether it is needed to drill the holes. Measure the thickness of the door with fitting. Select from fixing pack A, B or C, depending on your door thickness. Take the spindle from the fixing pack you selected earlier. Make sure it is pushed all the way into the lever. Tighten the spindle by using hexagon driver. Screw two fixing poles on the outer handle set. Push the spindle and fixing poles through the door. Take inner plate and remove the cover. Mount the inner fixing plate into the door over the spindle. Insert two new screws and tighten fully. Push the cover plate on the inner fixing plate. Tighten the screw at the bottom of inner fixing plate. Install both inner and outer handle with hexagon driver. Remove battery cover with hexagon driver. Insert on CR2 battery. Attach battery cover and accurately tighten the screw with hexagon driver. Press any button to activate the keypad. Then press *0# to set up the master pin code. Enter default master pin code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then press #. Enter new master pin code with 4 to 6 digits, then press #. Enter the new code again, then press #. If it is correct, there is one beep, followed by green light flashing one time. The master pin code has been changed. The installation is now complete. For more instruction on how to program cards, pin codes and pair the smartphone, please refer to the user manual